Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to change text outline color in Photopea software. So let's started. At first, open your Photopea software. Now you can see then we show the text. This text change outline color. Now we're going to the text layer option. Now click from mouse right button option. Then click from blending option. Now we select from stroke option. Now I click from color. Then I show the interface from color. Then I choose color. I choose from color. I choose from red color. That it's. Now I click from OK. Then again click for OK. That it's. Now you can see change text outline color in Photopea software is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.